Hello guys, welcome to Captain Techniques for your tech tips. Today we are into the Lenovo laptop, and this is a gaming computer, a gaming laptop, and this is a battery for Lenovo Y series, Legion Y535, and this is actually the battery. Now sometimes you may run into battery problems and you want to replace, because this is a 11.25 volt battery so guys, if you're looking to replace your battery, you have to replace it with ideal battery, because you need to replace it with a compatible battery, and this is the battery that's compatible 11.25 volts about 4.25 mAh. Yeah, so that you don't run into problems where you have your PC not working well. Basically in a Lenovo, this is the slot for the battery. This is the slot.